Hello friends, this is the updated version of custom post order plugin. Now you can change the order of on-page post, different post type, and any custom post type. If you want to change the order of post on home page, you can just select the content over here and on in this category and on in the term. Then you can load the post and you can change the order of post over here. And when you go from home page, it will come in the order. And then and you can change the order of any category of post type. You can just load the category and load its post, and then you can set custom order of the posts. And when you load this category on the front end side, it will come in the custom order. And you can change the custom order of each category separately. And then you can also change the order of any custom post type. So I created this custom post type and I created one taxonomy image, and you can select the term and load the post, and you can change the order of post volume. So when you load this term on the home page, financial, like I have done over here, so it will come in that particular order. So, right? Now there are more features in it. You can customize model any category or home page. So please download the plugin and share the video. Thank you.